The farmers work in the fields and the children play video games. Children play in the pond. It has many trees. It is free from traffic noise and air pollution. It has many buildings. Children play hide and seek under the tree.
Anita visited a robot expo. A humanoid welcomed her. The humanoid heard her things. A robot called her by her name. A butterfly robot sat on Anita's shoulder. A robot cooked her an omelette. The robot advised the visitors to throw waste in dustbins. A robot tasked her to make robot seal land about the main parts in a robot. She wants to make more robots with her friends.
Amudan and Nilavan visited a space museum. They got inside a spacesuit and its door closed. Then Amudan touched a switch. The space